How to recall mail in Outlook mobile app. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to recall mail in Outlook mobile app. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure to launch the Google or Outlook application from Google Play Store or App Store. Once done, you need to head towards Outlook application. Once you land on your home page, you simply need to make sure that you already have signed into your Outlook Mail app. Once done, you need to tap on Google like icon at top left corner in order to access the same option. Select that and simply you need to open any of the same mail and then tap on three dots at top right corner of the screen. From this menu bar, you need to check whether there is option for recall or not. If not, simply you need to get back from this menu and then tap on the delete icon at top right corner of the screen. As you can see that we don't find any recall option, so simply you can delete it, and then this is because mobile apps simply lack the option of recalling mail in Outlook app. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.